It's very common for people to throw around the term project in the workplace. People will refer to just about anything they work on as a project, but that's not always accurate. Tasks or jobs that occur on a daily basis indefinitely aren't projects, like taking out the trash or refilling the copier with paper. So what is a project? At its heart, a project is a vehicle that companies use to achieve their strategic goals. A project is a temporary endeavor undertaken to create a unique product, service, or result, in which temporary means a finite or fixed duration, and unique denotes a set of circumstances that, although resembling similar circumstances in many aspects, have not been previously encountered before. So we know that a project doesn't last forever. It has a beginning and it has an end. A project proceeds through the process of progressive elaboration. That is, progressive elaboration involves continuously improving and detailing a project or plan as more and more detail is detailed and added to the plan, and occurs in many project management processes. Progressive elaboration enables better control and understanding of the project by the project management team. Now, as the project goes on and more information is learned, that information is incorporated into the project in order to clarify or improve the project plan. A project is distinguished from the operational activities of a company by the fact that it is both temporary and unique. Operational activities are ongoing and repetitive. Again, taking out the trash wouldn't be a project, but implementing a new waste management system in the office place would be a project. If a project is a temporary activity that is undertaken to create a product, then what is project management? A person can't just do a project. A person performs or orchestrates a project, even if that person is the only one in the performance. Project management is the application of knowledge, skills, tools, and techniques to project activities to meet project requirements. Now, it sounds obvious, but this is an important distinction. Project management is applied to projects, not to operational activities. This means meeting project requirements, not operational requirements. Now, some operational activities can, however, be managed using project management approaches, and this is known as management by project. To manage a project requires that a project manager balances the competing project constraints of scope, quality, schedule, budget, resources, and risk. Changes applied to one constraint may require changes or adjustments to one or more of the other project constraints. The effective practice of project management requires a combination of general management, project management, technical and interpersonal or soft skills, and balancing all of these skills effectively is what makes a good project manager.